Happy Monday, everyone, and thanks for checking in to WeatherBug. Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast here. We're going to be keeping a very close eye on the tropics. We have a newly named storm in the Atlantic Basin, Humberto, and could possibly become our first hurricane of the 2013 season, which is very late this year. And then, of course, we're talking about some summer heat and also some thunderstorm activity. But the Atlantic and the Gulf fairly quiet here over the last say couple of weeks now. But here's another storm right off the Cape Verde Islands west of Africa. Now the forecast for Humberto stays a tropical storm until maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, and that'll be interesting because Wednesday on September 11th is our latest date for any hurricane to develop. First hurricane for the Atlantic Basin, so that'll be interesting to see if we can tie that record for the latest hurricane to ever develop in the Atlantic Basin. Now we are watching the tropics of in the Pacific because the moisture from that activity really has been rolling up into the south and west, and still some flash flood concerns for the Four Corners region. We're also looking at some flooding concerns across the high plains. Thunderstorms overnight last night and then early this morning really helping to bring in some heavy rainfall and also some wind damage. But you can see that complex of thunderstorms developing there and then lifting into northern Minnesota. This is all developing on the northern periphery of a huge dome of hot air. But a number of records yesterday. Triple-digit heat in Kansas City, Missouri, through parts of Nebraska and Kansas, and some of those record highs could be felt today across the Midwest, where we have a big dome of hot air sticking around for at least a couple of days. But heat advisories today across the upper Mississippi Valley, and on the outer periphery of that big dome of hot air, showers and storms over the next 3 days. There certainly could be a decent amount of rain, but the central part of the country once again remaining high and dry.